Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is January 25th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, a company we're going to take a look at today is a stock you know all very well, Lockheed Martin. This is a major defense contractor, aerospace company. The stock right now is selling off pretty sharply today. It's down by about $3.61. You could see today the stock is really giving back all of its recuperated gains from yesterday. So yesterday the stock gapped down, it rallied back up a little bit, never went positive, and today it's really selling all of those all of that rally right back off and potentially going to make new lows. I do think the stock probably will test the 247 and a quarter level today, but either way, this stock right now is trading below its 50-day moving average and its 20-day moving average, and it looks like we are going to get a close below this little pivot low. So that tells us the 200 MA is in play, and then ultimately this gap fill area is in play, and this stock wants to get down into that area. So all in all, a lot of traders have been emailing me saying, hey Nick, is this a good play yesterday? And I said, well, you don't want to do much with it. Let's just see where it goes. And now we see it's going south. So what I want to do is point out a level where I think the stock is ultimately going to put in the bottom, where you could get a nice, decent multi-month hold or multi-month long trade position. And that's when I look at the weekly chart. And the one thing you want to look at the weekly chart is where the stock broke out. And what you're going to see here is that the low right here was 237.52. If you go back to the week of November 7th, 2016, this is where the stock broke out with some good velocity. Made a challenge and actually made a new high after this breakout. So we know right in here is probably where this stock wants to go. So that low was 237.50. Then if you take a look at the red bar low, that was 236.20. Then if you take a look at this low right here, gives you $230.92. So what I'm going to say is we're going to look right in that area, right around 234, 235, maybe 233. That's where you can look to own this stock. So again, I ultimately think the pattern that's in on the Lockheed Martin chart is going to take us down to this black line. And all I did was take these three low points, average them out, and that's really what we're looking for. So right around 233, 234, this is where traders want to be involved in Lockheed Martin on the long side. Do I think it's going to get down there? I do think it's going to get there. It's just going to take some time. This may not get down there for a month or two, or maybe even a little bit more. But this is going to be your spot, 233, 234. That's where traders can own Lockheed Martin. And ultimately, I think that's where it's going to be a good long-term position. When you look at a monthly chart of this stock, it's still holding up very well. Notice how, it's been in an uptrend for, ages now, since 2013. It broke above its 20-month moving average, and it's really just traded parallel all the way up to that 20 MA. So nothing in the longer term picture is really broken here. So I think traders right now can watch this 233, 234 level to get involved in Lockheed Martin. There will be bounce plays ahead of that, but again, if you're looking for the longer term trade, that is going to be the level. So once again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us or trade alongside of me, just take that 7-day free trial to the research center. You'll get all of our trade setups, you'll get all of our cycle work, you'll get all of our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything stock market related. We are holding a No Hype Live broadcast tomorrow at 5:15 p.m., and that is open to all Research Center members. You get all of that and more. That is all part of the Research Center product. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, trading week, and we will see you on the charts.